Hi, everything for. And then me that sorry and some be a chagu social media and so. Now, if you're a party person, it should really annoy you. Eh, there's honorable compare kwa Japan and in I'm not kasa. Na the video back is been trending since morning. Or say, or not yet. For the past 24 years, he has served as a member of parliament on the ticket of the NPP. No? He's never believed in the party's tradition. 24 years as a member of parliament on the NPP's ticket. Or say he's never believed in the tradition of the NPP. Nah, Hon Nkrumah now he's always believed in the CPP political tradition. Nah, nsem ha, nsem ho, nsem ha pa 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 pa. Now, this is the paradox that a man who has been campaigning, going to delegates here and there, to be allowed to lead the NPP party as its flag bearer, is today telling us that he wants to be a flag bearer to the party that he doesn't even believe in their political tradition. That is exactly what Kennedy Akompreko Ejapon Ekacheyene say. Even though he wants to lead the NPP, he doesn't believe in our political tradition. That is a paradox. I know you are as shocked as I am. But when you na who cause am? Na who cause am? Discipline ni party way. Obiara ye de ope e was a party way, including people who want to lead this party. For the past 24 years, you have led your constituency on the ticket of the NPP. And not catch say, for those 24 years, you never even believed in the party's tradition. Hey, in somehow. Kanina Obia and Timin Kasa, because your power, in some way, just to protect the collective image of the government and the party. Untimin Kebi. Na, they say they say ye trap mama nasin ye tintin. You don't believe in the political tradition of the party you want to lead, and some way you can wahine. Now, does Hon Ken compare kwa Japan? Does he know say CPP to on in wuye? Na CPP no that's what you say, and that they even need more members. Again, it's in a kwine, so Obekwa join the CPP. Now, a lady Omo as their flag bearer ahead of the 2028 elections. What is stopping Ken? And some may be happy, and some no be happy. Momanin to Ken accompany kwa Japan say CPP tone is not defunct. It's still alive. And they need members to join the party. And if you don't believe in the political tradition of the party you claim you belong to, then I think the right thing to do is to resign and join CPP so that you can collectively push the Nkrumah's agenda. Anna, hey, NPP, baby, as I say, Juni. for. I would say again, a word to the wise is in the north. I'll say again,
Wofu di baby. Na wujina baby. Wujina baby. Na wofu nso jina baby. Wacha. Wo kana japo ye de saporo wano kra wonsi nyina betutu agu. Na mo yare. Wo yare nso kiti. Chese ene say NDC fo no be ma na mema ntino owo mema. Mema say na wo de beba. Mema say na wo de beba. Wo betima stande ekromofo. Mema say na wo de beba. Enti only the 31st on penny baby intina. On penny baby intina. Na wawie yempese obawie na osade yare na pra akofi. On penny baby no intina. On kanche no microphone. Na wo a wo ye NDC ni. Wo a wo ye NDC ni. Na ya wabobo pa. Anase NDC fo asoma se kota na chi. Na ko ye gidigidi. Mo mesai. Ende ye ka kire mu. 31st NPP for your twem. Akufado ka wo so bia anye be mansi wo bia. Obi enye be mansi wo bia. Eti wo be kire mu bibi kakra bi 31st. Omdo mumra ye so hufo no. Ya so hufo pamo ye ya obeto ye be ma. Ye be din ye hwom. Na omo pamo ye ometo ye be ma. Enti e de ka kire mo. Enti ede kakra be ka kire mo.
Matebra.
Sister, maybe Adia Santino, maybe Manusi.
Medasi, Yamisha. Uncle P.
Hello,
Yes, sir. Good morning. Okay.
morning, sir.
Good morning.
The church will be
Yeah, you too.
no, my boy, so you guys are doing a good job.
Thank you.
One my idea, you keep the fire burning. You know, yet now my hope is we still have ladies. Say that's like I think it's what the Pabani Basha Monamunti. My idea, we will commend you guys. Only and Jennifer, ne the I don't have anything.
Akosia Menu.
Akosia Manu, at least a couple of you guys now political mavis in there. So yes, more yeah there, and then a few guys Gode ne Abronya mo, like you guys are doing good. But I have a couple of points that person may touch it on. I think NPP is not making noise too much. Or said the amount for can amount for mu because there are so many incidents.
It's because of your internal elections.
Yeah, but we can't also let things slide like that.
Well, unfortunately, they say we need leadership. You don't even have a party leadership.
For
party leadership is extremely weak. And flag bearers, almost all running for flag bearers. No, party leadership. Dr. Bamia is not the leader of the party.
I know. So, secretary,
chairman, general secretary, they should have. But as it is now, it's not. She said January. Nyame flag bearer now. Then the flag bearer leads the party. It won't say in constitution say a chairman there. But say you sit here a chairman you on one yare akopele baby atna. Enti mama ya abotre kakra na nyina nti na ye mu bebre ya hwiri asimu a ye adwuma yi.
Yeah, because more yeah there.
Aha, there's a lapse. Ya hwe ya mamusa amre ya kapati na egu. Enti ye shom Nyame Buana 31st. Ye Dr. Baumia Peck. Then the structures start coming into place. That's the problem. But then the point is that we are fractured now because of your leadership issues. No?
Yeah, that must say. But you guys are doing good. I have to say it. I have to commend you guys. You guys are doing good. So, I don't know how best information we RH if any saying as for J MP for Bosome
MP, I'm a catcher.
Catcher they say. Sa nsamfo na okuta to di kire no omako UN no any kwaso mane dawo so or the
me so be di huduma
the yano mo che omo che di we say that's what the be hwim ni esa honya mu o cha say nti wo me update wo sa ade no a ekọ so no ho ana achimfo me na achimfo so case no more big case Say catch him for the any mono so train there. They be yes ya chin ni bia waterprata chede dem. Wouldn't ya pepa to train she am court. But MP abekan sanfon say. Na ma ga no man on na mo sa. Make I say almost a parliament to because say daughter of a murderer say hwan. Yenya yoma mo ho ene alavanyo ne nkromofo ebesin kra so mo demonstration. Until say nya wo mo so ade bi dan kwafo nkofo so betisi ma asa won ekoto ofom. I quite remember say 2017 deputy agriculture minister say deputy one minister akoka assembly. And it's a force we don't pay you so my papa resign.
Kwetu an kwetu se kweno kwetu.
Aye, one more the process in so man resign. So one good term deserves another. What is good for the goose is equally good for the gander. And to say I have for crown sorry. Also NPP organization na watch him hono organize. Need demonstration kakaka be dey. Assume. Because for me
Aname boy, someone MP. I want
yes,
parliament.
Assembly na no no.
I want no him. I didn't know Kasai. It had to take another pray to
talk.
get it up. Maybe MP nanka by now. Ni pakron mini nation to kwamu kurapo. Ya ye hu fi.
Yenye yo. I'm saying no say issue at the whole. The hot in they say a fine case. A fine case. Yeah. Yani ya catabolism wo. Say sabi o ya kan ni na won to kwan called the northern part of Ghana. That's a one victim, you wouldn't believe it. Mimi ko school UDS 4 years. Mimi hunti omo bu obi. No me say me nipa na yemia. Tache mu say nipa na yemia o yang na ni no na say me ma feel da. What I say? But I've seen the kind of appointment Mahama aye. I'm praying and hoping. Nem say jamia aduma kwan bi aso ma o mi aba win. O win na so me say be point obi o de Kofi Asante so onkoye DCE wo Tamale Central. No matter they be see what on I don't know. I have one question. And it's sustainable. The time catching sustainable say. Say no. Okay, almost much ankoko no. Na omo ankoko ni wi a. Ombe ankoko de dey.
Sir, Yewra Mahama ko Nkransa doing the elections campaign. Some Nkransa na ko kan sa asem. O se omuba mo musika bo nkukobuo mini nse nkukobuo na mo musika mo aboa. Omu wi a na mo ama mo nkuko nkete. Akukọ ni tukosua na wadi bi upenso anu atumbi. Akukọ no 2 point a watu kosua na wi a no waku akukọ no na wawe. Tu ku akukọ ni wi a minim sebuo no soso wodi be ja na wodi a so I have no idea.
Na 19 sa police we so say ade na mo di aba no. Enti afi bia no. Na akukọ no bu so won so minim se bi 3 months 6 months. Enti o mo provide ko na mo wie no mo diska ni wie a aban be sa mo ko ni bi wa na say obey any because I just
I absolutely have no idea. Tell me say
a waste of money. And
that's one can't show so baby sick. Now you sure say microphone no kran kokoro no menya de.
Hey, and to say now we say a fan case until say the whole 2029 say be has everything.
En kokoro e be du ho de constituency mu ho no kokoro e be du.
Because me dwen wa me ntase akokọ ni bebu. Okay, next thing say every 6 months as afi bia no aban be sa kran kokọ over millions of dollars as that bro man no. So mo say ya na. I know the hunter one say scandal ke see that way twen wo mo. Na next
scandal e twen wo.
Oh, the ho twen wo mo. Oh yes. And the ho. Na me na je me man so ye me man so ye message so ye be dey.
Ebi obeto condoms am.
Because na say dey hu hia. Ti e top part ma ye nwa ma ya me man yin so e. Because me be entimi nko school on 1 or 2 reasons so. Omo so omo yo mo den.
Obeto condoms am.
Oh well. Na if na omo so mo ko wo if any say ma ya mo ko wo the 37 hui. E dey na ban no ka e ya fa ho. Te no an say busuani omo fa mo busuani
ba confirmation.
Eme replacement. It is very nonsensical. The asem obi aka nyansa ba ko kura say nyeden. Enim na ye munim munim lesa munim hu bi mo shada share ho to mpasa mo kuma ya ndem yo ma de and the tennis ade bi aso se wo kwada wo sa player ko tihwi ye sei wo kwada nipa nwotwe no mo de me de me ya wo ho no ye soja forum ko wuye no
nkofo
soja forum no mo ye innocent no mo ko wuye no but mo maka ne de o ma no asem ana ajo o mo dwan na ka o mo maka o mo sa kufu adu mu no mo ko o mo ntase ne die no papa no oluma ne to wo dwen ne ho no ebiasa mo ko no ye twa mo maka no so ne nipa nwotwe yewu e ma ya nwotwe ye se bia o mo enka ne yiye mu a enka aban no forms na woton ma wo mo no ye nya kura ntoma mo obi anya den enyi sika san se de asi enti robbing people, innocent people wo mo a o mu ne dwuma di obepa adwuma wa yire na gine sika wa sa ku na so ukuni we ya o se busuani ba ku na so mu ni busuani bi ofie won so e ana so obi anka so
busuani bi ai na dwi so obi ana pese ogosoja
okosoja na pa na ya so okosoja so e ti we se no da ho den dia wo se nke yesu da kumwa no da ho na e friend say lolly possible for the say crime has no expiry date. It has no expiration. Tiene de so we no so we ni akira yate e mpanifo say ye jimi na agi edwan ye na ye professional ana